now trying to find their identity offensively. Oh! No basket. But Jawan State.
That backcourt is still going to be. I'm sorry. Were we talking about Louisville? Were we talking about Jabari Parker right there? Impressive. Impressive.
There for the one-handed slam.
The format of this, they could play with 3 times. How about Weezy?
And we see it in full stride right there. He finds the camera afterwards because he knows he can find himself on SportsCenter tonight.